Welcome to our guide on how to enable creative effects notifications on Snapchat. Let's dive into the steps to enhance your Snapchat experience. Step 1. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android device. Step 2. Next, tap on your avatar or profile picture located at the top left of the screen. Step 3. Then, navigate to the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Tap on notifications to access the notification settings. Step 5. Finally, mark the option for creative effects. By following these simple steps, you can stay updated on the latest creative effects available on Snapchat. Enhance your snaps and make them more engaging with these notifications. Now, go ahead and give it a try. Enable creative effects notifications on Snapchat today and take your snaps to the next level. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides on maximizing your Snapchat experience.